get killed out there. Now, did we get the turning on problem diagnosed, or are we gonna have to sledge it?
Relax and take notes while I take
Nice. Cool.
I got it, I think.
You want some help with that? All right, I'll get this bottom part. Come now. All right. Boom.
You gotta deal with that, I'll deal with this.
Okay. Don't get ran over.
Offer no guarantee.
It's like the traffic control, don't break a leg, don't get ran over.
Yeah,
Don't get killed out there. Oh, hold on. All right.
Brush it up a little bit, turn on the glow.
Yeah.
I forgot about it.
We do have a sign for this one, right? Road work ahead? Okay.
We're not setting any of them, are we?
Presetting them. I'm gonna make it less subtle. Here, I could take your drill, or yeah. Lucky me and Lando just got here.
Seems like I walked over there and just stood there. Okay, you're struggling?
Facing the other way doesn't matter. All right, bring it your way a little bit, right there. Right, yeah, you're good. Push it a little bit that way. Yup, right there. Wait. These are the other way around.
Damn it, Hector.
Yeah, we might have to hit him with the sledge and pull him out, maybe. We'll go find
Hector.
me, my boy. You the one that was like, all right. I think it was that threw us off. Is the fact that this was set down forward. Yeah. All right, Jose. Let's both split the blame here.
You're the one that put it in the sleeve. You just like send it.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't thinking about it. I tell you, I was looking at this. Hey, so what if we put them backwards? If we hit them a couple times, pull them up, or
like them both backwards?
yeah.
Blame it on you.
Jose keeps trying to blame it on me because I mean I get it. He was driving the sleeve, and I looked at it that it was straight, and I said send it. Exactly, yeah. What do you want to do?
I wouldn't even worry about pulling and just drive some more in front of it.
Drive some other ones in front of it.
What did he say?
He said to leave those and just drive some other ones in front of it.
Don't fuck it up this time.
You don't f it up. We got 2 eyes over here.
Hey, we got 8 because of
Our glasses.
I don't miss. Oh, you didn't miss?
No, he is not missing. Technically, he's not hitting the ground.
Hitting steel, man.
He's hitting steel. He's still hitting steel. Am I right? Yes, sir. Hey, hold on. Okay.
Back up.
Oh.
Bing! That was handle.
With the handle. It's been in my truck for like 2 weeks. Put it up there originally, and then I'm like, nah, let me make it a little more discreet. And then I threw it down there.
It's not doing it on this side.
What's it not doing? Going down? Easy?
That one, I barely tapped it. It was like, you know.
Really?
Then we're on the crop. Should have got me a water for the quick trip.
You should have. That's why I got me that big ass water. Heck nah.
Let's go. Let's go outside.